Hey everyone, I'm happy to announce that the WP Bakery birthday sale is live now and you can get up to 30% discount on our multi-site licenses. Since the last birthday, we've had some exciting releases with features like the built-in SEO tool, AI assistant for generating code, text, and even translating. We added the Element autosave option, so no changes go unsaved. You can also now copy-paste your WP Bakery content between multiple WordPress installations. And for all the developers out there, we added the option to add custom JavaScript to your pages. And these were just some of the shiny new features, but we also worked on improving the performance and security of the plugin. Get WP Bakery with up to 30% off, and we're excited to keep getting better and offering you a better plugin with every release.